Our AI-powered intelligent enterprise assistant enhances organizational efficiency by integrating an advanced chatbot to automate and streamline HR, and event management processes, utilizing deep learning and LLMs like Llama 3.1. It provides real-time support, document intelligence, and secure access through email-based two-factor authentication. By reducing manual tasks and offering 24/7 availability, the system improves employee experience and allows HR, IT staff to focus on strategic activities, ensuring a highly responsive and efficient workplace. On the Flask application's first page, users are greeted with a simple main HTML interface where they can start interacting with the system. After logging in through index1.html, users proceed to the next page, index.html. This page enables querying on HR policies, organizational procedures, or other support topics by submitting a query in a text field, which then connects to the backend for generating responses using the Grok API. After the login page, Firebase authentication is integrated for secure access. This includes verifying email and password fields to ensure proper authentication through. This interface sends the user's input to the Grok model, which generates responses based on the organizational context. For example, a user might ask, "What are the company's HR policies?" The chatbot responds in real time using the Llama 3.1 model, ensuring only relevant queries are answered. Maintaining security and accuracy. Grok's API is highly optimized for large language models, ensuring faster responses compared to traditional systems when comparing this with ChatGPT. My organizational chatbot is more focused and streamlined for enterprise solutions, while ChatGPT is a general-purpose chatbot. My solution is specifically tailored to organizational support, delivering quicker, more relevant answers with improved processing speed, reducing downtime for employees. The project follows a structured flow starting with user registration through Firebase. Authentication, followed by secure login. Once authenticated, users can query the chatbot for HR or IT-related questions. The chatbot uses Grok's API to process and deliver precise answers. Our technical stack includes Python, Flask, and Firebase for security, with Llama 3.1 for text generation. This solution improves employee experience and operational efficiency by automating repetitive inquiries and ensuring 24/7 support availability.